Hi everyone, this is Lakshmi here. I thought I'll show you a small glimpse of my makeup kit. What's in my kit? I have a lot of stuff, to be honest, but I've brought some stuff which I have in my makeup artistry kit. So as you can see, it's not organized because I just finished a few makeovers. So I'll just give you an idea of what I have. Now these are all concealers, some lashes here, something to prep the lip. I've got an hourglass ambient lighting powder. I've got an eye serum. I've got body shimmer. I've got some palettes. These are all drops. I mean, this is an eye drop which I use when I wear lenses and when I put lenses on others. That's it. These are all pigments, glitters, a lot of liquid eyeshadows and all that. Lots of lip liners and everything. This is the Scandinavia post makeup recovery spray, brow gel, some embryolase cream, blush, mascaras, some moisturizer, nude eyeliners which I love, eyelid primer, again a lip liner which is supposed to be here. Well, and then I've not brought all the glosses. I still have a lot of glosses and lipsticks, but I've just brought a few. That's it. This thing. So a Smashbox primer, all the lip glosses. These are glosses from Revolution that I love. They're really nice. If you haven't tried, please do. Some blush from Inglot, Becca highlighters. So ColourPop. This is something that I love. This glitter liquid something. This is equal to the Stila Magnificent Glitters. This is from a brand that I got in Asia. That's from Vietnam, and it's called Peri Pera. I love this. Some lip scrubs, illuminators, Urban Decay Primer Potion. Then I've got again Peri Pera's tint for lips, and it's also suitable for lips and cheeks. And I've got some liquid lipsticks from crayons, Smashbox, MAC, a lot of stuff there. Then I've got my sugar sticks, which I love. I've got a lot of stick foundations here. I've got Anastasia sticks. I've got a lot of MUA color changing drops, which is for professionals. I've also got some brushes here. Again, few more brushes underneath. In this bag, it's a lot of hanky-panky brushes again. All my disposables. I love disposables. You're supposed to use disposables as a makeup artist, and if you don't, shame on you. So hand sanitizers and shade adjusting drops, face washes, some foundations, Estee Lauders, concealers. I've also got a glitter glue, some cream correctors, cream contour, the sleek palette Anastasia, Estee Lauder again. I've got a lot of Juvias. You see, I have a lot of stick, I have a lot of cream, Huda, MAC. I've taken just a little bit. I've not taken all my products. I've got simple wipes. So I also have some shade adjusting drops here, P. Louise base, which I love. I also have this kajal, which is really nice. It was recommended by Shweta Vijay, and I tried it, and it's really, really nice, actually, a nice dark black one. Some lash applicators, bronzers. I also have Juvia's Place palettes, which I love. They are the best eyeshadows you can use. I also have, again, Becca, Chloe and Malika, collab, so I have got that palette. I have two of them, actually. I've got the silver and the gold. I've got a perfume that I use on my brides or on my clients. Then I've got some multi-chrome pigments. I have more multi-chromes, but at the moment I've carried only 6. Some Morphe palettes. Again, Morphe palettes. There are a couple of Morphe palettes here. There's some Morphe palettes. This is my Kat 1D. Then you will see NYX palette with some Revolution. Again, Becca highlighters. Sorry about that. They've got Sample Beauty, which is a really good brand for eyeshadows. Some translucent powder. Then setting spray, some Scoline, rose water, sanitizer, eyelash glue. Brushes, my professional palette, spatula. Again, brushes, some Morphe palette, Juvia's Place palette. I don't know what they can see. Some brush cleaner, some alcohol, mandatory if you're a makeup artist. So again, a lot of brushes, again, lots of brushes. most of my brushes, they are from Zoeva, Sigma, MAC, BH Cosmetics. I've got Juvia's as well. I love Juvia's Place brushes. They're actually not as much raved on social media, but the brushes are really nice. Like, you have to see the quality of the brushes. They are so, so nice. Oh gosh. Come. Now you see that the brush quality is just to die for. They're soft, super soft, very dense, very densely packed, and it's really nice. So it doesn't gain so much importance. I've not seen it being raved on YouTube as such or Instagram, but it's really, really nice. Micellar water, things to cut crease, to do cut crease stuff. Some Pro HD brow palette, some blush palette from Juvia's. Again, Juvia's foundations, YBB sponge, which I love. Some, again, Morphe James Charles 3503. This is 3502. I've got, again, Juvia's here. RCMA palette. Some Nika's lip palette, scissors and hair clips and stuff. So yeah, that is my run through of my kit. So there you go. I can show you some of my brushes from here as well, if you would like to see. I have got some Juvia's brushes here as well, which I love. Like, you can see them. They're brand new. I've just got in the mail a couple of weeks back. They're really, really good as well. And I've got some BH Cosmetics brushes as well. They're really good. So I love brushes and lots of disposables. We are very particular in Face Palette to use disposables. I've got mascara disposables, mascara wands, very important. Never share mascara with anybody, even if it's your mother or sister. Don't share. I've got some eyeliner applicator disposable ones. I have some shadow shields which I use. Then I've got hair clips. I've got doe foot applicators for lipsticks, disposable ones for my work. So there you go. That's my makeup artistry kit on a brief that I carry on a regular basis. So, and I have more, but this is what I carry regularly. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.